बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सेकंड ईयर। आज हम पार्ट 2 की बुक शुरू करेंगे, चैप्टर नंबर 15। फर्स्ट ईयर में आप बायोलॉजी के फर्स्ट ईयर के बायोलॉजी में आपने काफ़ी कुछ देखा है कि ऑर्गेनिज्म के मुख्तलिफ जो प्रोसेसेस होते हैं उनमें न्यूट्रिशन का, रेस्पिरेशन का और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का, तो इसमें आप होम्योस्टेसिस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। ओके, देन इसका कंटेंट देखते हैं कि आप इसमें डेफिनेशन देखेंगे आज के लेक्चर में, कॉन्सेप्ट देखेंगे होम्योस्टेसिस का, एनवायरनमेंट के टाइप्स देखेंगे, प्रोसेसेस देखेंगे जो इन्वॉल्व हैं होम्योस्टेसिस में, देन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ होम्योस्टेसिस देखेंगे और नेचर ऑफ कंट्रोल सिस्टम को आप इसमें देखेंगे। ओके, here we define the homeostasis, the protection of internal environment from the harms of the fluctuations in the external environment is called as homeostasis. There are two types of environment, internal environment and external environment. Internal environment is the environment which is inside the cell or inside the organism. External environment is the environment which is outside the cell membrane or outside the organism. Concept of homeostasis: every organism has a specific setup of internal environment suitable to its surroundings. External environment and its components fluctuate continuously. However, the organism resists and manages these changes by making adjustments to keep its own internal fluctuations within a narrow range. Thus, the organism protects its internal environment from the harms of the fluctuations. The homeostasis keeps the internal fluctuation in a narrow range. There are three mechanisms which accomplish the processes of homeostasis: osmoregulation, excretion, and then thermoregulation. ऑस्मोरेगुलेशन नाम से जाहिर हो रहा है कि ये ऑस्मोसिस से रिलेटेड है, मेंटेनेंस ऑफ वाटर एंड सल्यूट्स कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. एक्सक्रीशन इज़ द रिमूवल ऑफ नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट है, एंड थर्मोरेगुलेशन इज़ द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ इंटरनल बॉडी टेम्परेचर. Then the objective of homeostasis doesn't fix the, keep it in mind students, homeostasis doesn't fix the internal environment but it maintains. This is necessary for normal functioning of body. Stable body conditions are important for the efficient working of enzyme. Then the control system. There are two types of control systems, that is physical and living control system. Both work on the same principle. Control system has three components: receptors, control center, and effectors. Receptors detect the changes in the environment and signals to the control center, and control center take the action and messaging the effectors to take action. Let's take an example. In a temperature control system, there is a sensor, that is thermometer, that monitors the temperature change from a set point and signals to the control center to take action by switching on heater or cooling unit in response to drop or rise in temperature as compared to the set point. In this system, the effector shows response inverse to the change in the external environment, so it is called negative feedback mechanism. For example, receptors sense warm temperature in the external environment. The effectors show cooling effect in response. Here we see a sketch of homeostasis controlling system. There is two types of control system at organismic level and control system at cellular level. कंट्रोल सिस्टम ऑर्गेनिज्मिक लेवल पे जो है वो रेस्ट्रिक्ट करता है फ्लक्चुएशंस को नैरो रेंज में, और जो कंट्रोल सिस्टम सेलुलर लेवल पे वो एंटायरली नैरो रेंज में लेके आता है फ्लक्चुएशंस को. ओके,